दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा, सलामत रहे दोस्ताना।
हेलो, कहिए। Hello, please maintain silence. Please give a round of applause to the chief guest, one and only Shatrughan Sinha. Good evening, everybody. Today's esteemed chief guest, the icon of Indian cinema, the superstar of Hindi cinema, an actor, a singer, a producer, epitome of artistic excellence, a villain who was made hero by the people of India, who loved him so much, king of style, shotgun, Kalicharan, and Vishwanath of 70s. Honest and committed politician, former Union Minister for Health, former Union Minister for Shipping, the only actor who has the honor of becoming the Cabinet Minister in India, hero of my college life, presently the member of the parliament and a darling of the masses, Honorable Shri Shatrughanji Sinha. We have also with us a very renowned producer, Kailash Nilani Sahib. Please give a round of applause for his contribution to Indian industry. We have also with us Sri Adish Ji Agrawala, a senior advocate and the Vice Chairman of the Supreme Court Bar Association, the former Vice Chairman of the Bar Council of India. We have our beloved young Secretary of Bharati Vidyapeeth, Honorable Sri Vishwajit Ji Kadam, former Vice Chancellor of the University, S.F. Patil Sir, and Professor Dev Chopra, who has been instrumental in getting the star to Law College. Please give a big round to Mr. Dev Chopra. Dr. Bhale Rao, Dr. Nitin Nayak, and other friends of my Bharati Vidyapeeth University, the principals of various colleges, press, media, invitees, and above all, my dear students. It's really a wonderful evening for all of us. I really don't know what to say before such a legend personality of Indian industry. I'm scared Shatrughan Sinha Sahab will say, Khamosh, and then I have to keep quiet. But I would like your attention, Honorable Chief Guest Sir. These are 4 lines to begin. I know that you love Shairi, but I'm very small in front of you. But this is a try. This is a try from my heart for you. पाकिस्तान के राष्ट्रपति, आप डर गए होंगे, पाकिस्तान के राष्ट्रपति जियाउल हक ने जिसका किया राष्ट्र का सम्मान, जिनके अभिनय का उन्होंने लोहा माना, बिग बी के साथ किया आपने दोस्ताना फिल्म, खुदा भी आपके अभिनय का है दीवाना, खुदा भी आपके अभिनय का है दीवाना, यह वो शत्रु है जिसे कोई हर चाहे गले लगाना, वन एंड ओनली शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा। कहने को बहुत कुछ है बट कह नहीं पा रहा हूं, इनके आगे क्या कहूं जबान नहीं खुलती, इनके आगे क्या कहूं जबान नहीं खुलती, सोने के 100 टुकड़े कर दो कीमत कम नहीं होती। Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Shatrughanji Sinha doesn't need any kind of introduction. He is known for his work. He has stood up always whenever there was a cause, whether in the film, whether in the social life. And he is Neta, Abhineta, and on the top of it, he is the leader of the masses. He is loved by everybody. You can only love him, and love him, but you cannot ignore him. And I'm being told to introduce as a principal. I have a very difficult task to introduce such a legendary personality, but I'll try my level best. I could only say in one line that I have seen him from my college days, and I've lived with the films which I've seen and always admired him as the best actor, a best superstar which India has ever produced. Shatrughan Sinha ji shares the same date of birth as that of Madam Sonia Ji Gandhi. I was reading yesterday on the Twitter. His birthday is December 9, and coincidentally, I think the year also matches the same. The proud part of we the people of Pune is, he is the alumni of Pune. He has passed his diploma from Film Institute, Pune, and he is a student of Pune. As all of you know that after completing his education, he moved to Mumbai to become an actor, and he established himself soon as a prominent member of Indian film industry. He was one of the best male Bollywood film stars. Today also is the best. I know that every word will count, and I'm going to be screwed afterwards, but I apologize in the beginning only, and I can say only one word, that I'm a great fan of you, and all these people sitting here, not only here, all the world watching. Shatrughan Sinha is always, always, always loved by everybody. I have seen his interviews. I have seen in Aapki Adalat. I have seen on the TV channels, on various channels, wherever there is any interview. Recently, I was even looking to Aaj Tak Seedhi Baat, and where he was talking about himself as well as what he is doing, which most of us do not know. The point which is to be noted for all of us being a lawyer, his films were successful in which he played the role of a lawyer, whether it was a Dostana or whether it was Vishwanath. It was always that a lawyer has played him a very big role and got applauds all over the country. He is a very stylish villain, and he said there that I was made villain by the producer and the directors, but the people of India made me hero. And this is a fact that he is made hero by the people because of his acting. He is the only politician who holds the cabinet, who has hold the Ministry of Cabinet for Health from film industry. Nobody has got the honor of becoming a cabinet minister. He is only the person who has got the honor of becoming the cabinet minister for health and as well as shipping. Currently, he is doing the role of N.T. Rama Rao, another legend in Telugu film Rakta Charitra, and he is the only one person who is doing the role of a politician as well as a film personality in India. That's again a great honor for Honorable Ji Shatrughanji Sinha. He has been always applauded for his quality work through various awards in various films. He had done a very memorable role in Kalicharan, Vishwanath, whether it is Sholay or Shan. There are a number of people, a number of films which will be difficult for me to say all about, and therefore I can say only that he has been a greatest actor, the best actor which we have seen in recent past in the film industry in India. Now, he has been always particular about Amitabh Bachchan. The Dostana film was a hit, and he has recently applauded even Amitabh Bachchan's role in recent film Pa, where he said that it was a great work which has been done by Shri Amitabh Ji Bachchan. Such a kind of personality we have today with us. He is Shatrughan Ji Sinha, because most of us, we do not know. In his family, there were 4 brothers, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, and he is the younger one. That's why his name is Shatrughan Sinha. And his house name is also Ramayan, and son is Love and Kush, all of you know, and even the daughter is now coming in the films. All of you know this. I know that you are more updated than me, and being a principal of this college, I cannot say more about the films. So, ladies and gentlemen, Before I call upon Sri Vishwajit Ji Kadam to honor him, here is a small video made by our student Disha, a tribute to Shatrughan Ji Sinha. Please have a look on the video which is made by a student.
Please
keep your hands together, please.
ना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा
बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा
सलामत रहे सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा ख्वाबों के दिन वो किताबों के दिन वो ख्वाबों के दिन वो किताबों के दिन सवालों की रातें जवाबों के दिन कई साल हमने गुजारे यहाँ यही साथ खेले हुए हम जवान हुए हम जवान था बचपन बड़ा आशिकाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा
बिछड़ेंगे मर के भी हम दोस्तों ना बिछड़ेंगे मर के भी हम दोस्तों हमें दोस्ती की कसम दोस्तों पता कोई पूछे तो कहते हैं हम एक दूजे के दिल में रहते हैं हम रहते हैं हम नहीं और कोई ठिकाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा बने चाहे दुश्मन जमाना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा
This is the picture you have seen for Rakta Charitra, where Honorable Shatrughan has shaved his mustache
उनके
recently.
इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे
You
में
can
जब
see the
चोपड़ा
dedicated
साहब ने
person
कहा,
for acting. Now I request
पहला
our
दिनानी जोर
secretary,
दिया,
Shri Vishwajit Ji
इन्होंने-
Kadam, to please felicitate him on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth. Please give a round of applause for Shatrughan Ji Sinha. It's a memento on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth University and Law College. Now, I have a special request for Vishwajit Kadam to please put the Puneri cap on Honorable Sri Shatrughanji Sinha. Puneri cap, it's an honor for the Punites as well as intellectual people. He is a student of Pune, please. Thank you so much, Shatrughanji Sinha, for being so kind and accepting our honor. Now we have the other legendary personality, a famous film producer, Pailaj Nilani Sahib, a big name in himself in Hindi film industry. He has produced several noted films, and all of you know that there are many films which are produced by him which are super duper hit. And Aankhe, everybody knows that it was a special hit of Pailaj Nilani Sahib. I request again Honorable Shri Vishwajit Kadam to please felicitate him on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth University and Law College. There are many films which he has been done by Pailaj Nilani Sahib with Shatrughanji Sinha. Here we have a producer, and those people who want to become actor, you can look forward to Pailaj Nilani Sahib. Please give a round of applause for Pailaj Nilani Sahib. Now I request once again our Honorable Secretary to please felicitate our guest of honor, Shri Adish Jagrawala, who has been always kind enough for motivating the students of Law College, and he's the Vice Chairman of Supreme Court Bar Association, former Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, and he has been the Chairman of International Council of Jurists. May I now have a special request for the guest on the dais to please come for lighting of the lamp and start the ceremony. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered here to celebrate the cause of human rights. All of you know that 10 December is a Human Rights Day, World's Human Rights Day, and United Nations adopted a chapter. We have the human rights for all of us, and we really respect those human rights for us. And all of we know that what happened in Mumbai on 26/11 last year, and there was war on terrorism. These are all the topics, and today we are talking even about the global warming, HIV/AIDS patients' rights. We are also talking about heterosexuals' rights, gay rights. These all are the things which is there in the concern of human rights. And we are going to organize more legal discourses on human rights very soon in the coming year, and we will celebrate Human Rights Day in a grand manner. And today, to celebrate that, as you know, that we have always already with us Honorable Ji Shatrughanji Sinha as well as Pailaj Nilani Sahib. We are going to felicitate some of the human rights activists who have worked for the human rights cause in India as well as abroad. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is one small clip for Human Rights Day, and I request again all of you to please have attention there on the clip, again prepared by the student of Law College on eve of Human Rights Day. Please see the clip and pledge to save the human rights, respect the dignity of everybody,